Hey everyone, it's KC, and today we're going to be unboxing Air Jordan 4s. And you can probably already tell by looking at the one on the top, it's a little different than the one on the bottom, because this is off-white Jordan 4 sail. And the box is pretty much the same as a classic cement Jordan 4 box, same Jumpman Flight logo, except Virgil added these translucent holes all over the box, similar to what he did with the Jordan 5s. It kind of just subtly sets it apart from what we're used to seeing a Jordan box look like, so I think that's pretty cool. These were first unveiled at the amazing Museum of Contemporary Art in Chicago, and they were put on display for the Figures of Speech exhibition, which highlighted the works of Virgil Abloh. We stopped hearing about them for a while, so we didn't know if we'd see a release date for them and when we'd see a release date for them. But the Jordan 4 is no stranger of being on a huge platform. A Jordan 4 that you're probably a little more familiar with, cement Jordan 4s, were featured in a huge scene in Spike Lee's Do the Right Thing, which eventually went on to become another Jordan 4 in itself. But we're gonna save that story for later because we finally got a release date for these, set to be on July 25th, releasing in women's sizing. And this could be closely compared to the Mushroom Jordan 4s, which also released in women's sizing, which also featured tonal colorways all the way through. But for me, the consistency of the shoelaces, of the color in the off-white zip tie, and the color in the Jumpman tag definitely sets this apart from lots of other Jordan 4s for me. But if the colorway doesn't do it for you, it still features those key points of Jordan 4s in which we love most. Still has a Nike Air on the back tab, still has a visible air sole unit, still has a mesh surrounding the shoe, except on the inner, it has the Beaverton signature, which Virgil likes to throw on all of his Nike Jordan collaborations. Still has a Jumpman Flight on the tongue, still has a hanging Jumpman tag. Just classic Jordan 4 things. Except the deconstruction, similar to what he did with the Jordan 5, makes us look a little more slim. The deconstruction and the adding of the suede definitely makes us look a little more slim and versatile. But maybe I'm biased because of my love for sail shoes, but this is a 10 out of 10 for me. Let us know what you guys think in the comments, how this compares to other Jordan 4s and how it compares to past Off-White collaborations. Oh, and I almost forgot to mention one of my favorite parts of Off-White collaborations, all the shoestrings. These come with 3 shoestrings in addition to the pair that's already in there. There's a teal pair matching the outsole, a black pair, and a white pair. This will probably look really neat bouncing off of the existing color. So you can definitely have a lot of fun with all the shoestrings. Our New York City flagship store just reopened, and I know I mentioned Chicago earlier in the video, but stay tuned for updates for our new Chicago store set to open in the next few months. But if you can't make it to either, you can still shop us at stadiumgoods.com or download our app, Stadium Goods, available on iOS and Android. And don't forget to follow us at Stadium Goods on all social media platforms. I'm KC, see you soon.